Okay, hi everyone. This is Anita. I'll be talking about how you can use PowerPoint to capture all your thoughts, all your links, all your subtopics that you may have in a chapter, in your chapters, in your thesis. So my problem before this was when I write my draft, the writing the chapters, I always have a problem of how do I get back to my central argument. Um, the thesis that I'm arguing in my paper. So I figure out perhaps if I use PowerPoint, it will be easier for me to go back to the chapters and to the subtopics to check, whether one topic leads or are linked to one another quite coherently. So I've tried doing that, and I think I am quite successful in putting things together. So let's just see how this is done. I'm sure most of you are very familiar with using PowerPoint. So you start off by putting your title, and then it's a good idea to have your table of contents, right? So for example, I have 9 chapters with me, and you start typing out the first chapter, chapter 1 to chapter 9. And then it could also be a good idea if you start inserting the subtopics in the chapters. So this is a very rough one I'm doing so far, but I will later, of course, put the link to the subchapters. And then if you go to chapter 1, so this is where the introduction is, and I have to provide a contextual information on Malaysia, ESL classroom in Malaysia. So this is what I've done. And let's say you want to put in, for example, definition of soft skills. So you highlight there, and then you go to hyperlink, and then maybe you would want to copy. So for example, you go down here, you would want to go to Google, and then type soft skills, right? So for example, if you're looking for definitions of soft skills, so go to soft skills, right? So there you go. You go up there, you copy, and you paste. So this is the hyperlink that you want to create just now. So you paste the hyperlink, click OK, and once you do that, you can see that it's already highlighted there with the hyperlink. The reason why this is so useful is because sometimes when you are doing your writing, you would want to go back to the original source, so that you can check, whatever that you're saying is not, you're not plagiarizing from the main source. So this is, I think, a very good idea. And as you can see, I've already put in some more references. This is like something that you do in EndNote. So you might want to have a PowerPoint next to your Word maybe, and your Word is linked to the references in EndNote. So that would be very useful. So let's go next to chapter 2, for example. Okay, I have here my chapter 2, my literature review. I've got overview of everything here. And then let's say this is the link that I've done. So I can simply go back to this link and check whether what I am writing about that is relevant to the chapter. So you can see that it's actually pretty easy for you to also insert sound. Let's say you want to insert your thoughts, your whatever you are thinking of the chapter at this moment. You insert sound from file. So this must be already the sound or audio that you have done, and then you click OK, and it should be here. But because I don't have any sound with me, so you can do this. You can also insert movie if you like. So this could be movie but movie may be a bit heavy, so you might want to go and check out YouTube, for example. Okay, so let's go from here. Let's say I have a YouTube. Let's go to discourse analysis. Okay, chapter 3. I've got here discourse analysis, and I want to put it a link to, okay, let's see. Right, so this is a link to a discourse analysis YouTube video, or I might want to put another one. Right, so I go to YouTube here, and this is, right, discourse analysis, and I get this one, copy this link, and go to that PowerPoint again, and put it as a linked paste. So that's when you get that link. So maybe you want to type discourse analysis 2 for that. So it's actually very easy for you to compile all your materials in one PowerPoint page. Okay, so this is what I have. The rest of the chapters, yeah, still not filled in, but I'm going to do it very soon, and I'm going to check with my draft to see whether it links with each other. Right, so all the best. Yeah, you can actually do so many things if you explore up here, but I think putting sounds, putting movies, putting YouTube links, putting Google, Wikipedia links is already enough for you to check whether you have a very coherent piece of thesis. Okay, good luck, everyone. Let me know whether you think this is useful so that I can post this to maybe my wall on Facebook, or some other place. Right. Okay, that's it from me. Bye.